What is up, you guys? Today I'm going to be showing y'all pretty much everything we have going on in the garden. Lots of cool stuff. We've basically got a fall garden going into winter setup. We've got all kinds of cool weather crops. We've got greenhouse, or high tunnel rather. So yeah, I'm going to show y'all how the garden looks. So the garden has expanded quite a bit for me. I started out with basically 5 25-foot beds, all these center beds, and I'm up to 19 in the backyard as of right now, and we have plans to add more. There'll be 7 more beds there, and I will also extend these from 50 foot to 75 foot. I've got about 25 more feet back there, so we'll lengthen these. I've also got in the front yard, we've got 5 beds with plans to add 5 more beds, so a total of 10 beds out front. I'll show you guys those here in a minute. As far as what we have growing, basically all your common cool weather crops. We've got spinach, lettuce, we've got red Russian kale, more spinach, we've got strawberries, we've got 2 beds of carrots, miscellaneous stuff, peppers that are about to die, a little bit of extra lettuce I had, and we've got beet greens that I use for a salad mix. We've also got the caterpillar tunnel. I'll take you guys in, we can check it out. So in here, a little bit of more of the same stuff. Ooh, a little foggy in here, sorry. There we go. So we've got radishes on this side of the bed. They've done really well in here. More spinach. This is kale. And then we've got more lettuce over here. This is a farmer's friend tunnel. It's 50 foot long. Just set it up this year. So far I'm very happy with it. Seems solid. Plastic seems strong. I'm looking forward to being able to grow a lot of stuff in this tunnel this year. So I'll take y'all out to the front yard. Front yard's pretty cool. Basically just converted my entire lawn into more production area, and turned out pretty well. And just to give you guys a little bit of an idea, I'm basically converting my property into a full-blown market garden. So far it's going really well. We're selling to 1 grocery store, 1 restaurant, doing farmers markets, and Market Wagon, which has been really, really cool. If you're a grower and you haven't checked out Market Wagon yet, I definitely recommend that. It's a great option to give you another sales outlet. But this is the front yard production area, so kind of just more of the same stuff. We have 6 existing beds now, and plans to basically add 5 more, so we'll have 11 total 50-foot beds out here. Currently growing kind of more of the same stuff, just spinach, baby kale, more spinach, more radishes. These are all 50-foot beds, 12-inch walkways, except for this walkway, because I had the flagpole, so that's kind of like a 18-inch walkway. But yeah, very happy with how the front yard production area has turned out so far. And I won't show you all of them, but we have a lot of fruit trees planted. So these guys right here, they won't be full blown next year. They're 1 year old, so they'll be 2 years old this year. They won't really start to get cranking until probably year 3, 4, 5. But they put on really good foliage this year, and yeah, hopeful that they should do pretty good. And this year has been a pretty big setup year for me. I grew and sold some stuff, but this year was really focused on getting the garden all set up, getting the tunnel built, getting compost brought in, getting beds built. A lot of setup, and that's why we haven't been able to make a ton of videos. I've been really busy out here, really cranking away. So I apologize to you guys that haven't got to see a ton of videos that have been subscribed to me. I promise you there is definitely more to come. I don't know how regularly I'll be able to post, but I will post as regularly as I can, and there will definitely be more out next year and this fall. But I hope you guys enjoyed that. That was just a little update on what's going on with the garden. If you guys have any questions about anything specific that you saw, or want to see videos on anything specific you saw, let me know down in the comments section. Hope you guys have a great day. See you on the next one. Bye. What is up, you guys? Today I'm going to be showing y'all everything we got going on in the garden today. Today I'm going to be showing y'all everything today. How more stupid can I sound? Woo, arm's tired. Guys, that is pretty much it. Just wanted to give y'all a tour.